We are here at the Viking Festival in Hove to support the building of the first Viking ship in the Faroes since Viking times. And I'm gonna go on stage now and do my part.
Viking Ship is a project that we have a replica from a Gokstad ship in Norway, and it's a very huge ship. It's 23.5 meters long and 5.5 meters wide. It takes 24,000 hours to build.
I think it's very important to preserve history, recreate history, to demonstrate it and bring it closer to the present and being able to show it to people who are here only because of such ships. So yeah, it's necessary. I hope Gunnar will get his hands dirty in the building of the boat.
It's fascinating to see, and I can remember when I was a child also, I was looking at these boat builders at my hometown, and they would just make all these cuts just with an axe. It was amazing to see the precision of it. This ship is what they normally call the long boats, which the Viking used a lot when they went and pillaged across the world. We are standing here in the Faroe Islands right now, and there's a reason for we are here, and that is those long boats.
TUR is involved in this project to make people aware that they can support this project, both nationally and internationally. I'm really looking forward to there being a Viking boat, a recreated replica of a real Viking boat in the Faroes. It's extraordinarily exciting.